Hey guys, Frey here from Tools and Gadgets. Today we have our iPhone 15 Pro Max now. So we just received our trade-in kit from Apple. So this is Apple's trade-in kit. So inside you have the Apple instruction on how to place your phone for trade-in, how to set it up for trade-in, and we'll be placing this in here. Yeah, let's go ahead and prepare our phone for that. So let's just set that aside first. So let's go ahead and let's go to the settings. Then first off, what you want to do is that we're gonna be turning off Find My iPhone. Okay, so this is a important step so that your trade-in won't get delayed, because when Find My iPhone is still active, you're probably getting process delayed. So yeah, let's turn that off. Let's go ahead and input our password. Once that is done, okay, so we have already turned off our Find My iPhone. So let's go ahead and turn Share My Location as well. And then next thing what you're gonna do is that we are gonna be signing out and deleting everything on this iPhone. So let's turn off backup. So let's just make sure that everything is turned off. So let's go ahead and remove our Apple Pay. So it's just gonna delete everything. So I'm sure that all of these will get deleted when you erase your iPhone, but just to make sure that it is deleted, we're gonna be doing it manually. Okay, so the Apple Pay is already been deleted, so let's go ahead and sign out from our Apple account here. So don't check anything here. Let's go ahead and click signed out. Let's go ahead and sign out. So once that is finished, let's go ahead to General. Let's click the Transfer or Reset iPhone, and let's go ahead and click Erase All Content and Settings. So in here, as you can see, your apps and data will be deleted, and also your eSIM. So let's go ahead and click Continue. So if you set up a passcode for your iPhone, go ahead and enter it up. So you'll be prompted with this. So let's go ahead and click Delete eSIM and Erase Data. So everything will be erased. So as I mentioned a while ago, the Apple Pay, we deleted it manually, but still it will get deleted with this option. But just to make sure, I deleted it manually. Okay, so when that's done, you'll be greeted with this, the setup a new iPhone. So let's not set it up because we already deleted it in the first place. So let's go ahead and turn it off. So as you can see, by holding the power button, it won't do anything. Okay, what we could do is that to ensure that there's still battery left for transporting this going back to the warehouse, all you need to do is hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's slide to power off. So that is now turned off. So before putting it in the box, take out your case, because they don't want you shipping out with your case on, I think for hygiene purposes. And let's go ahead and get the box. Let me just zoom out. So let's open this and place our iPhone here. Okay, so once that's safe and secure, let's go ahead and close this up. And they included inside a sticker so that you could stick this in here. And seal it. Perfect. There you go. And then we're gonna peel off this right here where it says peel here, so that it will reveal the new outbound address going to the Apple warehouse. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have any comments, comment down below. If you have any questions, suggestions, let me know down in the comment section below, and see you again in our next vlog. Bye.